Car Cleanser, Chemical Guys, spi22016. The Chemical Guys. spi22016. Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant is a versatile solution designed for the thorough care of nearly all interior surfaces in vehicles, including dashboards, door panels, steering wheels, fabrics, and navigation screens. This product is suitable for a variety of materials, including dashboards, GPS screens, LCD screens, clear plastics, electronics, glass, plastic, rubber, stainless steel, metal, and aluminum. It provides UV protection to prevent cracking and fading on hard plastics and is safe for tinted windows as it is ammonia-free, ensuring no streaks when used on navigation screens. The product is available in 16 FL ounces and 1-gallon bottles, with customers choosing from 3 pleasant scents: baby powder, new car, and black cherry. The formula is designed to leave a non-greasy, residue-free finish, while restoring the stock appearance of cleaned surfaces. It is manufactured in the USA and includes features like a dry-to-the-touch formula that ensures a clean finish without residue. Chemical Guys. spi22016 stands out for its cleaning prowess and protective features, making it a top choice for maintaining vehicle interiors. For more, visit our site car-care9.blogspot.com. Please like and share the video to support us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube at Care2 and activate the bell to get all the news. If you want to buy the product, the link is in the description. Don't dismiss this iHerb discount coupon, JTB 8516, to get more than 20% discount and free shipping when buying more than $30. User experience and effectiveness of the Chemical Guys. spi22016. Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant are highly praised across various platforms. Key insights based on user reviews and ratings include its ease of use, overall satisfaction, performance on various surfaces, scent and cleaning efficiency, and competitive pricing. In the competitive landscape of car interior cleaners, Chemical Guys. spi22016 holds a distinctive position in terms of versatility, cost-effectiveness, and user satisfaction. However, there are some pros and cons of the Chemical Guys spi22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Some users have reported that the product may leave streaks if not thoroughly buffed off after application, which could potentially require additional effort during the cleaning process to achieve a streak-free finish. The scent of the product has been a point of contention among some users, with descriptions comparing the scent to various fragrances having been mixed, with some users finding it pleasant and others less so. The chemical composition of the product is not clearly stated, which could be a concern for users sensitive to chemicals or those who prefer ammonia-free products for cleaning delicate surfaces like tinted windows. Additionally, the cleaner is noted as unsuitable for heavily soiled interiors, meaning it might not be the best choice for vehicles needing a more robust solution for deeply ingrained dirt and stains. To achieve the best results with the Chemical Guys spi22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, consider using the product as part of comprehensive cleaning kits like the Quick Clean Fabric Interior Deluxe Kit or the Leather and Fabric Interior Cleaner and Ceramic Protection Ultimate Kit for thorough interior maintenance. For general cleaning, spray Total Interior on dirty surfaces and wipe with a microfiber towel. Use a soft brush for tougher stains on fabrics and blot dry. To clean sensitive areas like GPS and LCD screens, mist Total Interior onto a microfiber towel to minimize overspray and prevent streaks. Additional tools and complementary products from Chemical Guys can enhance your cleaning experience, such as the boar's hair detailing brush for dusting vents, or the spi22016 Nonsense All-Purpose Cleaner for deeper grime.